Hi guys, it's Gavin here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you this Auntie Mabel and Pippin DVD. It's called Come Outside a Windy Day. And I actually finally got this because the thing is, a few months ago I couldn't find this. It took a really long time to find. So here it is. A Come Outside DVD, and yeah, so it was actually, when mint condition when I got it. It was a little bit expensive, but this is actually perfect. It hasn't got many scratches, thank God, because some DVDs do get a lot of scratches. So yeah, so the colour on here is blue, as you can see. Sorry about my lights. It's not good here. Because the thing is, when I put my camera somewhere, it's bright lights like this. But anyway, so going back to the DVD, this is called Come Outside with Auntie Mabel and Pippin at a Windy Day. And here's the disc. The disc was actually not even scratched when I got it, thank God. Because the thing is, I just don't really want to see a scratch disc, because the thing is, with scratch discs, it's horrible. Really, really horrible. Yeah, so the only thing is, it won't be very good if this was scratched, because I'll be so disappointed. But anyway, it's not, thank God. I'm happy about it. So yeah. So it's got 5 episodes. It's got a windy day, a rainy day, holes in the ground, soap and bricks. And the length is 75 minutes, and it's got the E on the bottom. Not sure what that means, but I actually trying to figure out what age it is an E, but the thing is, I don't understand this E thing. But anyway, so here's the side, the back, and the disc. Yeah, I have got other Come Outside DVDs, so I will be updating them soon. So stay tuned, guys, and I will do another video about another Come Outside DVD. I have got some others on my shelf, but when I find them, I will do a video. So yeah, so that's the Come Outside a Windy Day DVD, and so bye, guys.